Today I'm reviewing iZooto, a platform designed specifically for publishers who want to increase engagement and monetize their audience using web push notifications. When you first land on the homepage, the messaging is clear. They focus on re-engaging website visitors and driving repeat traffic. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward, though you'll need to verify your site, which may be a hurdle for less tech-savvy users. The dashboard is clean and relatively easy to navigate. It includes key sections like campaigns, segments, audience, and monetization. iZooto's automation features are robust. You can schedule notifications, create drip sequences, and segment your audience based on behavior. This level of targeting is excellent if you're managing a content-heavy site or a news portal and need to drive clicks to new posts consistently. Monetization through iZooto comes in the form of ad push notifications, but this is not available in all regions. If you're eligible, it's a simple toggle-on feature that allows ads to be delivered through notifications, and revenue is shared. While the revenue potential is real, it won't replace display ads or affiliate income. Think of it more as an additional stream. The analytics panel gives you a decent overview: CTR, delivery rates, subscriber growth, but it's not as granular as some alternatives. There's no A/B testing built in, which is a major downside if you're looking to optimize performance at scale. Another issue is that delays in sending notifications can occur during high traffic hours, which compromises reliability. iZooto claims to be built for scale, but depending on your region or server proximity, performance may vary. Many useful links you can find in the description. One area where iZooto excels is support. Their onboarding assistance is solid, and live chat actually connects you to real support staff. Documentation is comprehensive, which helps in configuring custom scripts or integrating with CMS platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Speaking of integrations, setup with WordPress is relatively easy with the iZooto plugin, although advanced users may want to use the manual script for more control. That said, iZooto isn't ideal for every type of site. If you're a smaller blogger or niche site with limited traffic, growing a subscriber base large enough to see returns from push ads could take time. And for sites outside iZooto's preferred and network territories, monetization won't be an option. Another thing to be aware of is user fatigue. Sending too many notifications will cause people to unsubscribe. While this isn't unique to iZooto, the platform doesn't yet offer enough features to mitigate this, like intelligent frequency capping or predictive send times based on individual user behavior. In conclusion, iZooto is a solid push notification tool for medium to large publishers who want a reliable system for content distribution and an optional monetization layer. Its strengths lie in audience segmentation and automation, but it's not without its flaws, namely limited analytics, lack of testing tools, and inconsistent performance across regions. If you're looking to improve engagement and don't mind the learning curve, iZooto is worth testing. For smaller websites or those heavily focused on UX, it may be too aggressive. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real reviews like this one.